Okay, everybody, here's the big news for November 14th, Motor4Toys update number 2. Um, Unbelievable. 9 a.m. this morning, somebody calls me and says, I saw your video on Instagram with Scott Stanley, GM of Porsche Woodland Hills, that you have someone who will match 20 grand. They said, I'll do the same thing. So that's two people that'll match $20,000. And then about 3 hours later, the same person calls me and says, you know what? I called somebody else. They're going to match $20,000 also. So right now, if independently we can generate $20,000, we have another 60 that will come in. That's $80,000. Now, the person that called me said, you know what, Dusty, here's the deal. You got to ask people to give $1, $5, $10, $20, $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000. He said, set the goal for $150,000. Some people can afford a little, some people can afford a lot, but ask. So our goal for the 21st Motor4Toys, 21 years of doing this, we want to raise $150,000 in cash. And on top of that, we need everyone to bring toys the day of to make this the biggest year yet. So that's what we're asking. If you can donate online, motor4toys.com. If we can get to $20,000, I have 3 people who will match. That would be a total of $80,000 for their 60 in match. The first 20 plus 20, 20, 20, that gives us 80. And on top of that, we need another 70 to get to $150,000. Okay, so do what you can, help where you can. $1, $5, $20, $100, $1,000, so on and so forth. Let's make this the best year ever for kids. I want to thank all of you, the incredible car community, the community at large. This is your event. This is your time to shine. This is 100% all about you bringing light into the world, joy, happiness, and helping others. 21 years, folks. Let's make this the best year yet. You do it every year. I'm asking big this year. Thank you, Motor4Toys.com. Thank you to everybody who supports this incredible adventure we're on. Motor4Toys, it's all you. Okay, another update tomorrow. I've got more crazy news tomorrow. It's been a very busy day. So much to tell you, but I'm gonna wait for tomorrow for another video. Thank you all. December 8th, Motor4Toys. We'll see you there.